Winter can kill your plants fast. One tiny watering mistake, and the roots collapse before you even notice. In winter, your plant is not growing. It drinks less, and every extra drop of water becomes a danger. Let me show you the mistakes most people make without even realizing it. Don't worry. You're not alone in this, and I won't let your plants suffer this winter. Just subscribe to the channel. Turn on the little bell so you never miss any winter care tips again. When temperatures drop, your plant slows down. It sleeps. It rests. And its water needs become much lower. If you water it like summer, the soil will stay wet for days. And that's when the trouble begins. Cold soil is dangerous. Cold soil dries very slowly. Cold soil also blocks the roots from absorbing nutrients. Your plant becomes weak, and yellow leaves start to appear. But the real danger is deeper. Cold roots are stressed roots. When the root system gets cold, it cannot breathe. Water less often. Here's how to fix it. This is the main reason many winter deaths happen. The inside out. And the plant begins to collapse from. They turn mushy. The roots turn brown. Where you can't see it, it starts deep in the pot. Overwatering in winter leads to silent root rot. This until it's too late. Most people never notice. This makes the plant vulnerable to rot, fungus, and shock. It cannot protect itself. It cannot drink. Always check the soil with your finger before watering. Make sure the top half of the soil is dry. Move your plant away from cold windows. Use a warm room and good airflow. And always use a pot with proper drainage. What about you? How often do you water your plants in winter? If this video helped you, share it with a friend who loves plants. Leave a like. Subscribe to the channel. And may your plants stay healthy and happy all winter long.